And there he is.
Alejandro Railway race car.
Missing all week, and then he turns up in the middle of nowhere.
I do it, Hello, sir.
Come for the train.
Sorry, little racer. It's time to get good.
Alejandro, as far as the fans were concerned, it's going to be Chick versus Lightning this time. Chick ain't going to give up that trophy so easily either.
Alejandro,
buddy, you better watch your back.